na 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 na.
Doing what I wanna do. Won't do it if it's not fun. Ha ha. If it's not fun. Ha ha. Yeah, strawberry shortcake, please. When the truck comes, kick that hydrant, splash, see a cop run, crawfish, broilie, Brooklyn Museum, slope, they'll be my last if it's not fun. Ha ha, if it's not fun. Ha ha, if it's not fun. Ha ha, it's not fun. Ha ha ha. Harlem boys quick to hiss out when they see me rollerblading with a frizzy twist out. Booth found, hey, barricade up, put the summer stage on with the churros, kebabs, and funnel cake bomb. And when the air on a 2 train shut off, gotta Roxbury's, beat the shades and cut off. Sun up, blunt up, cut up, damn, I'm a stunner span all damn winter, getting right good summer. She's perfect, yeah. It's 85, just quit my job in K and I to bring licks by the liter, yeah. The lighter one just got promoted and I'm celebrating for months in a cherry pit. I go watching raising Victor again. Bell rings, it's my girls and they fiending for a party. Got them red cups filled up, neighbors saying too loud. It's cool with rooftop and show stopping, turning heads in the crowd. Big city, bright lights, hot days and warm nights. Big city, bright lights, hot days and warm nights. Big city, bright lights, hot days and warm nights. Big city, bright lights. You know when you walk into a party in the summer and you got your summer dress on, and the guys are like, yeah, this feels real good in Harlem, yeah. Pray and make it downtown. Cause if it feels real good in Brooklyn, then I know I'm doing alright. Hey, if it feels alright, make it last all night. Yeah, reppin' Cornell, you reppin' NYU. I'm about that life, yeah. Just moved uptown to Harlem, yeah. From the Lower East Side, yeah. And I'm chillin' in Williamsburg with Tony to my right. Hey, if it feels alright, make it last all night. Make it last all night. Reppin' MLT, reppin' BSP. I'm about that. In the big city, bright lights, hot days and warm nights. Big city, bright lights, hot days and warm nights. Big city, bright lights, hot days and warm nights. Big city, bright lights, hot days and warm nights.
Okay guys, this is the rainforest part of the treatment. I will be sitting underneath the steamer for 20 minutes, then I'll let it rest for 10 minutes, then I'll wash my hair. But don't worry, if you don't have a steamer, you can just put your plastic cap on and let it sit for about 45 minutes, or even use a hooded dryer, or you can use your plastic cap plus a heated towel, a warm towel wrapped around it, and all of that should work. So I'm about to do that. I've got my water, a biscuit, my book, my phone, the essentials of life, and I'm gonna sit underneath here, then I'm gonna wash it out, come back and show you what it looks like.
Doing what I wanna do. Won't do it if it's not fun. Ha ha, if it's not fun. Ha ha. Yeah, strawberry shortcake, please. When the truck comes, kick that hydrant, splash, see a cop run, crawfish, broilie, Brooklyn Museum, slope, they'll be my last if it's not fun. Ha ha, if it's not fun. Ha ha, if it's not fun. Ha ha, it's not fun. Ha ha ha. Harlem boys quick to hiss out when they see me rollerblading with a frizzy twist out. Booth found, hey, barricade up, put the summer stage on with the churros, kebabs, and funnel cake bomb. And when the air on a 2 train shut off, gotta Roxbury's, beat the shades and cut off. Sun up, blunt up, cut up, damn, I'm a stunner span all damn winter, getting right good summer. She's perfect, yeah. It's 85, just quit my job in K and I to bring licks by the liter, yeah. The lighter one just got promoted and I'm celebrating for months in a cherry pit. I go watch and they fiending for a party. Got them red cups filled up, neighbors saying too loud. It's cool,